Hello students, welcome back to Phoenix Edu. So today we will be starting our second chapter of class 9th, which is matter around us pure. In first chapter we have seen what is matter. What is matter? Matter is anything which has mass and occupies some space. So this pen is a matter, but in this chapter we will see this pen is pure or not, because this pen is matter. So in second chapter we will see the matter which is around us is pure or not. So before starting this chapter we will see some classification, chemical classification on the basis of chemical composition. So before seeing the chemical composition classification, we will see what is composition. So composition, let's see by a meme. Love is in the air. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि in air love is there, means air is made up of love, but it is wrong. So the correct answer is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide are present in the air. So if anyone asked composition of air, what is composition of air? Nitrogen 78%, 21% of oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide. So this is the composition of air. So what do you mean by composition? Composition means made up of, है ना, जिससे वो बनता है, made up of, it is known as composition. So now let's see the classification based on chemical composition. So let's classify. Let's use a dark pen. So first of all we will classify matter on the basis of chemical composition. So matter is classified on the basis of chemical composition in two types. First one is pure substance. And second one is let's change the color. First one is pure substance and second one is mixture. Now pure substance is classified into the two things. Which one is? First one is known as elements and second one is known as compounds. Now elements are again classified into the three categories, which are known as metals, non-metals, and the third one is metalloid. इस सारी टर्म्स को हम लोग इस चैप्टर में अच्छे से पढ़ने वाले हैं. Now in mixture there are two classification. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Now homogeneous mixture is again divided into a one type, which is known as solution, and heterogeneous mixtures are subdivided into two parts, which one is colloid and second one is suspension. So here the pure substance means what we will see in the next slide. So what is pure substance? Pure substance means the substance which are made up of only one kind of atoms, or we can say different kind of atoms, but they are arranged in a fixed ratio or proportion and they have same properties throughout. So let's see the definition of pure substance. Made up of substance made up of same kind of atoms, same kind or it can be different, same kind or different kind of atoms by fixed ratio or we can say proportion. And they have similar property or we can say constant property. They have constant property. What kind of properties? It can be physical or chemical. So this is a chemical classification. So we will see chemical properties. Now pure substances are then again classify into elements and compound. So element is the simplest pure substance. What are element? Simplest pure substance. Simplest pure substance which are made up of same kind of atoms. They are made up of same kind of atoms. What are the examples of elements? There are 118 elements which we will see in a periodic table. So some examples of elements are, first of all, hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element. Then oxygen is an element. These are the examples of element. Second thing in element is that they are simplest pure substance, so they cannot be further divided into simple substance. So they can't be further broken down into simpler substance. So this is element. Now we will see what is compound. Compounds are made by two or more kind of atoms, or we can say compounds are made by two or more kind of elements. So compound are not the simplest pure substance, they are some complex kind of substances which are made by two or more kind of atoms. So what we can write? Made up of substances which are made up of different kind of atoms. Example, the example of compound is, let's write it in the different color pen. The example of compound which we can write here is water. Here water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, in which hydrogen is an element and second oxygen is another example of element. So by these two elements this compound is formed, which is water. Now second point about compound is they can be broken down. They can be broken down into elements by some chemical processes. So again revise, प्योर सब्सटेंस क्या होते हैं? प्योर सब्सटेंस वो सब्सटेंस होते हैं विच आर मेड अप ऑफ सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम्स और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटम्स बट बाय फिक्स्ड रेशियो और proportion, and they have similar kind of properties throughout. And now pure substance are classified into elements. What do you mean by element? Element are the simplest pure substance which are only made up of same kind of atoms. Example like hydrogen. Hydrogen is made up of ओनली एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन किससे बना होगा? हाइड्रोजन के अंदर किसके एटम होंगे? सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन के. ऑक्सीजन के अंदर किसके एटम होंगे? सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन के. सेकेंड थिंग अबाउट एलिमेंट इज दे कांट बी फर्दर ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस, क्योंकि ये सबसे सिंपल सब्सटेंस ही होते हैं. नाउ थिंग अबाउट कंपाउंड्स इज कंपाउंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटम्स. लाइक एग्जाम्पल वाटर. वाटर इज मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, एंड कंपाउंड हैव फिक्स्ड रेशियो. Why? Because it is always formed by two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Second thing about compound is they can be broken down. Here water can be broken down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas by some chemical processes. Okay, so now let's see some other properties of compounds by this meme. Phoenix makes science easy. So इस meme के साथ समझते हैं कुछ compound की property. So sodium is an element. What is sodium? It is an element. Chlorine. What is chlorine? It is also an element. But by combining these two elements, these two different elements, sodium and chlorine, we form a compound which is NaCl. What is NaCl? It is a compound. Now observe carefully. सोडियम इज अ वेरी रिएक्टिव मेटल विच कैन एक्सप्लोड व्हेन इट कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ मॉइस्चर और वाटर। सो सोडियम इतना ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है कि वो एक्सप्लोड कर जाएगा जब कॉन्टैक्ट में आएगा एटमॉस्फेयर के। क्लोरीन भी बहुत पावरफुल है, इट इज़ यूज्ड एज डिसइंफेक्टेंट। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, इसको यूज किया था गया था एज अ केमिकल वेपन इन वर्ल्ड वॉर 1। सो दोनों ही क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल, डेंजरस। बट जब दोनों को ही कंबाइन करके क्या फॉर्म किया, NaCl विच इज़ नोन एज कॉमन सॉल्ट और टेबल सॉल्ट। इसकी क्या है, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ फ्रॉम इट्स कंस्टिट्यूएंट। मतलब NaCl जिससे बना है विच आर सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन, उनकी प्रॉपर्टी कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है जब वो फॉर्म कुछ एक कंपाउंड हुआ है ना। सो इट मीन्स कंपाउंड डू नॉट शो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन, बिकॉज हमको पता है कॉमन सॉल्ट मेजरली किसके लिए यूज़ होता है, इट इज़ यूज एज सॉल्ट। सो यहाँ पे लिखा आई मेक द सूप टू टेस्टी, है ना, टू सॉल्टी। सो वट वी कैन राइट, लेट्स यूज द डिफरेंट कलर पेन, डेट कंपाउंड will not show the properties of its constituent। इट मीन्स कंपाउंड जिससे भी बना होगा वो उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स की प्रॉपर्टी शो नहीं करेगा। लाइक वाटर, वाटर इज मेड अप ऑफ H2 गैस, हाइड्रोजन गैस एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस। सो वहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन गैस की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो वाटर में आपको नहीं दिखेंगे। द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस आर completely different and the properties of water are completely different. So what we can write here, important point from this meme is compound will not show the property of its constituent. Okay, now let's see the next. अब हमने जो टॉपिक देखे उसके ऊपर से क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे विच आर प्रेजेंट इन योर NCERT एक्सरसाइज। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ वुड यू कन्फर्म दैट अ कलरलेस लिक्विड विच इज गिवन टू यू इज प्योर वाटर। एक कलरलेस लिक्विड आपको दिया गया है एंड वाटर का कलर भी कलरलेस ही रहता है। सो हाउ कैन यू कन्फर्म दैट इट इज प्योर वाटर। सो वी कैन डू दिस थिंग बाय यूजिंग अ बॉइलिंग टेस्ट। बाय डूइंग boiling we can identify, but how? Because if it is pure water then its boiling point एक प्रॉपर्टी है ना। बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एक प्रॉपर्टी, हमने क्या डिसाइड किया था, प्योर सब्सटेंसेस में प्रॉपर्टीज जो रहेंगी वो सेम रहेंगी। इफ इट इज प्योर वाटर वी नो दैट वाटर्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या है, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। बाय डूइंग बॉइलिंग टेस्ट, if it boils at 100 degrees Celsius then we can say it is pure water. But if boiling point increases or decreases, if boiling point increases or decreases of this colorless liquid, then we can say it is not pure. It is not pure. It contains some impurities inside it. It contains some impurities inside it. So by doing boiling test we can confirm that a colorless liquid is water or not. If it boils at 100 degrees Celsius we can definitely say that it is water. But उसका अगर boiling point 100 से पहले ही वो boil हो रहा है, state change कर रहा है, या फिर 100 के बाद कर रहा है, तो हम we can say that it is not pure water. It contains impurities. Okay, so this is how we can test a pure colorless liquid is pure water or not. Now let's see a next question based on the topic which we have learned today. Which of the following materials fall into the category of pure substance? हमको क्या डिसाइड करना है, इनमें से कौन से सब्सटेंस प्योर सब्सटेंस की कैटेगरी में फॉलो करेंगे, है ना। सो फर्स्ट सब्सटेंस इज गिवन टू यू इज आइस। आइस क्या एक वाटर का ही स्टेट है, वाटर विच इज इन सॉलिड फॉर्म इज नोन एज ice, and we all know what is the formula of water, it is H2O. H2O is a compound which have the fixed ratio, means water जब भी जब भी कंबाइन होगा इट विल फॉर्म बाय 2 एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सो इट हैज़ फिक्स रेशियो, इट हैज़ फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन. सो इस कंपोजिशन इज फिक्स्ड. So what we can say, it is a pure substance. It is a pure substance. Now second is milk. Milk is made up of fat, globules, proteins, water, है ना. So milk we cannot say that it will have कॉन्स्टेंट कंपोजिशन. उसकी कंपोजिशन क्या हो सकती है, वेरी कर सकती है ना. हमने देखा है डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वेराइटीज़ ऑफ मिल्क, है ना. तो उनमें क्या होता है, सब में डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कंपोजिशन रहती है. कभी प्रोटीन का अमाउंट ज़्यादा होगा, कभी फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स का अमाउंट ज़्यादा होगा. तो वी कैन नॉट से कि यहाँ पे कंपोजिशन क्या होगी, फिक्स सेम. सो इट विल नॉट बी कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू प्योर सब्सटेंस. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज आयरन. आयरन इज अ मेटल and metal is further divided in the category of elements, and elements are pure substance. So iron is an element and element are the simplest pure substance. So yes, Fe is a pure substance. What we can write, Fe is a pure substance. Now the next one is hydrochloric acid. What is hydrochloric acid? It is HCl. So HCl is made up of 2 elements. One is hydrogen and one is chlorine. So it is made up of 2 atoms, which means it is a compound. And compounds are always have fixed composition and fixed same constant properties. So they can be categorized into pure substance. Okay. Change the color. Now calcium oxide. What do you mean by calcium oxide? Its common name is quicklime. The formula is CaO. It is always formed by 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of oxygen. So its composition is fixed, its properties are fixed. So it can be categorized as pure substance. ये भी क्या है, compound. So इसको भी हम किस में कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, pure substance में. So कौन कौन से pure substance है उनको हम ब्रैकेट करते जाएंगे. आइस, आयरन, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, calcium oxide. Now mercury. Mercury is a metal, only metal which is present in liquid state at room temperature. So what is the symbol of mercury? It is Hg. Mercury is an element and elements are the simplest pure substance. So mercury भी क्या है हमारे पास, pure substance यहाँ पे. Next is brick. Brick is a mixture of sand, clay particles. So it is not categorized as pure substance. Wood is also a mixture. And the third one, the last one, which is air. Air is also a mixture. It is mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, है ना. So it is also a mixture. So here in this question, what are the pure substances? Ice, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide, and mercury. Now let's see the next one. This question is of NCERT exercise, question number 10. What is the question? Classify the following into elements, compound and mixture. So यहाँ पे डिसाइड करते हैं कौन एलिमेंट है, कौन कंपाउंड है एंड कौन मिक्सचर है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल आइडेंटिफाई यहाँ पे एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से. एलिमेंट्स को हम देखेंगे ग्रीन कलर. ओके, सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एलिमेंट. सोडियम इज एन एलिमेंट. एलिमेंट के अंदर भी एक इसमें कैटेगराइज होता है मेटल. सोडियम इज अ मेटल एंड इट इज़ अ एलिमेंट. सिल्वर इज ऑल्सो एलिमेंट. सो यहाँ पे आगे लिखते जाते हैं Eb. It is element. Silver is also element. Tin is also element. Then यहाँ पे coal, soap, carbon dioxide, no. Then यहाँ पे sugar solution, calcium carbonate, silicon is an element. Silicon is also an element. Now change the color. Let's take blue for the compounds. So soil is a mixture, coal is a mixture, soap is a mixture, carbon dioxide is a compound. Carbon dioxide is a compound, so we will write C. Okay, then sugar solution. Then we will see sugar solution is a mixture. Calcium carbonate is a compound. Calcium carbonate is a compound. Air is a mixture. Methane is a compound. Methane is formed by two kind of elements which are carbon and hydrogen. What is the formula of methane? Natural gas. It is CH4. Now the last one which is left is mixtures. So what are the mixtures? Soil is a mixture. Coal is a mixture made up of different kind of substances, and their proportion, their ratio is also not fixed. They can be mixed in any proportions. Like sugar solution, we can add any amount of sugar in water to make a sugar solution. So it is a mixture. Air is a mixture because the amount of carbon dioxide is changing due to global warming. And the next one is blood. It is also a mixture. Blood is made up of RBC, WBC, platelets, plasma, you know. So this is all for today's lecture. So in today's lecture we have seen classification of matter on the basis of chemical composition, in which we have seen pure substance, mixture, then pure substance categorized into element, compound, mixtures are categorized into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Then we have seen the definition of pure substance. क्या होते हैं pure substance? Which are made up of same kind of atom or different kind of atom but in fixed ratio. They have fixed properties throughout also. And then pure substance are categorized into elements and compound. Element are the simplest pure substance which are made up of same kind of atoms and they cannot be further broken down. And compounds are made up of different kind of atoms or different elements, but they can be broken down into simpler elements by doing some chemical processes. फिर उसके बाद हमने कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए ऑन इन एक्सरसाइज, जो कौन से बेसिस पे थे, एलिमेंट, कंपाउंड, प्योर सब्सटेंस एंड मिक्सचर. ओके, सो लेट्स सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल सी अबाउट more about mixtures. What are mixtures, what are the different kind of mixtures, their definitions and related questions to them. Okay, so see you in the next video. Stay tuned, press the bell icon and I hope subscribe तो आपने कर लिया होगा, है ना. So to never miss an update of our videos, you have to press the bell icon. So thank you all, have a great day.